Okay, so let's get a tour of our dugout greenhouse or underground greenhouse. I didn't do much videos lately. I was busy developing my app, my garden app, and so let's take a look. I transplanted them in May, and this is how my cucumbers are looking right now. Got peppers here as well, so got rid of the bottom leaves. Got some of them gotta harvest. So what I did is I let them grow all the way to the roof, and then I'll let them cross to the other side. I won't and we should start seeing cucumbers from the tops pretty soon. So they're starting already, but not that much yet. But I can see that there's a lot of little ones, so we should expect to get away much more. But I'm liking it. The greenhouse it's actually pretty cool down here, so have no problem with hot days, and there's enough cool air coming from the soil and from the sides during the day. And we have actually a tomato plant grown here, so I'm hoping maybe we'll have some late tomatoes. Peppers, there's some peppers right there. Peppers. They're still green. The other ones, so these are struggling because they are covered in shade, so I don't see any. I mean, there's flowers right there, but I don't know if they're gonna get pollinated or not. But for cucumbers, very good harvest. So this is the cucumbers that I just harvested.